Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Harun Rashid, and in this video I'm going to share with you guys how to apply on university website. Last video I shared with you guys how to apply on CSC website, and in this video I'm going to share with you guys how to apply on university website and what type of documents you need to require to apply in university website. So don't skip video, watch complete video. So let's dive in this video. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Harun Rashid, and in this video I am going to share with you guys how you can apply on university website. My previous video I shared with you guys how you can apply on CSC website, because for CSC scholarship you need to apply first in CSC website and second in university website. So I already make video for how to apply on CSC Scholarship CSC website. Now I'm going to make video for you how you can apply on university website. So for university website guys, you should know about your university official link. Okay, university website. So my university is Northeast First University, so I simply go my university website here, and then after here you need to check your university study at nephew. Okay, I go there, study at nephew, and then here you can see here is scholarship program. Okay guys, Chinese government scholarship program. This is CSC. Here you need to go CSC program, and then you guys, you can go there down and down and down. Here you can see how to apply on CSC website here. Okay, the website of online application system for studying in China of the Chinese. This is a for scholarship Chinese CSC scholarship website, and this is our university website. So I just click there. After I click there guys, you can see like this type of screen. So first, if you didn't sign up, first you need to sign up. So when we click on sign up guys, you can see here you need to type your email, your password, confirm password, date of birth. Here you need to select your country. Okay, which country you are from, Pakistan, Afghanistan, etc. So here you need to select your country, and after this verification code and register. So this is simple step to sign up. So I already signed up, so I don't need to sign up. I just go I just log in. So first login. For login you need to set your verification code. I just put here my verification code 5317 and login. Okay guys, this is login. So for login you need to go there, my application. Okay, here you need to my application. After my application guys, you can see here the admission steps, admission step 2. Here you can read for before apply you can read all these guidelines. Okay, this is really important. You can read all guidelines. We just simple go apply now. Okay guys, for apply now, here you can see category in which degree you're going to apply, master, doctoral, language degree. So for example, I am going to apply for master degree. Okay, so for master degree guys, here you need to search college, which college you are going to apply. For example, I am going to apply for School of Forestry. Okay guys, here you can see degree forestry, School of Forestry, first degree School of Forestry, and these are. So first here here select program, in which program you want to go. Here you can choose forestry degree, environmental, and we go forestry degree. Okay guys, here we just click on forestry degree. You can go apply now. So after apply now guys, you can see you need to put your personal information here. For example, family name is Rashid, given name Harun, passport number, passport expiry date, and passport type, and Chinese name. Passport type should be here. You can see service passport, passport for public affairs. You need to select ordinary passport type. Chinese name, if you have Chinese name you can add, if you haven't then don't need to add. Your gender and your marital status, nationality and your date of birth and country of birth, place of birth, and native language. What is your mother language? Arabic, Urdu, English. What is your native language? You need to select this language. And then religion, and then the school of your highest degree obtained, for example your bachelor, okay, 2018 to 2022. Occupation student, you need to select occupation student, okay. Religion Islam. And then you are here institution affiliated, you need to input your bachelor university name, okay. Hobby, no need to add. If you have hobby then you can input your hobby, put your hobby. And then ever study in China? No. Is medical history? No. Allergic history? No. Is smoking? No. Okay, you need to say no, 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 no. Do you have valid visa in China? No. Okay. Are you Chinese government scholarship applicant? If you are already Chinese government scholarship applicant, then you will say yes. If you haven't, then you say no. Okay. Then Chinese proficiency, guys, if you select according to your level: beginner, ordinary, good, very good. And then HSK level, if you have two HSK 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, so you can select your HSK level here. And score and HSK level. English proficiency is very good. You don't need to because for Chinese scholarship, Chinese government scholarship, CSC scholarship, you don't need to add any TOEFL or any just like a GMAT English test, okay. Other language proficiency, if you have other language proficiency you can type here. Okay, here is guys reference. Just give your friend reference. If he already in China, you can refer her friend and his name, relationship and organization, mobile number, her just like email, phone number, nationality, your friend nationality and address. Here guys, your educational experience from senior high school to now, okay. Here you need to add your degree, just like a bachelor degree first, after bachelor your senior high school and your degree type and your field of study and diploma, degree type and country. If you have any work experience you can add your work experience. Family member, you need to add your family members, okay. And after family members, guys, here you need to add financial supporter. Here you will add your father name, okay, because he is financial supporter. If your father, you can also add your brother name, okay. His phone number, organization, just like government address, and just like a relationship with applicant, his father and his email, okay guys. Here you need to provide emergency contact person, just like name, mobile, phone number, his emergency contact number. Home country address, here you need to give your country address, okay. Street address and province, country, phone number, mobile and zip code. Here you need current address. I think you will be a same country address, so same address you can provide. Here you can give a mailing address. For example, mailing address, why they ask for mailing address? Because after you select for CSC scholarship, they will maybe send your admission notice to your mail address. So mailing address should be like where you can collect post, okay, send by post. So send by post, here you need to give exact your mailing address. And then declaration, I hereby that my here you need to declare all information provided above is true and correct. I shall be abide by the laws of Chinese government and regulation, and I shall pay the relevant fee on time. Okay, this is guys all about your personal information, okay. If you have any question about in this personal information, you can ask me in comments. Next we go next. Okay, here guys, you need to upload your materials. First you need to upload your personal photos, okay. White background, your personal photo, passport size your photo. Then here you need to upload your passport personal page, okay. Here you passport photo page and visa page. Okay, and then HSK certificate. If you have HSK certificate or English proficiency certificate, you need to upload here English proficiency certificate. You should have English proficiency certificate if you are going to apply in English program. So you can take English proficiency certificate from your bachelor university. So here you need to upload your English proficiency certificate. Here you need to upload your transcript, just like bachelor transcript. Here you need to upload your graduation certificate, just like degree. And here you need to upload your 2 letter of recommendation from your associate professor, and foreign physical examination form you need to upload here. If you haven't get any physical examination form, just click here download. You will get a physical examination form. Then you just go to the nearby your hospital and do some test, and after test you can upload here. Then your research proposal, guys, you can upload here. If you haven't any research proposal template, you can just download from there. Okay, acceptance letter from supervisor, guys. If you have acceptance letter, you need to upload here. Non-criminal card certificate, guys, you need to upload here. Financial guarantee, just like financial guarantee, you just upload bank statement. Okay, your father, if your father brother have bank account, just upload their bank statement. And then CSC or nephew scholarship application form. Okay, guys, in my previous video I shared with you guys how you can apply on CSC scholarship website. So this scholarship form, CSC scholarship form, you need to upload here. And then if you have any recent work proof, you can upload. And then other certificates such as award certificate, published article, you can upload here. Your others, just like extra activity certificate, if you have any published article, you can upload here. Okay, guys, after upload here, you just go next, because I didn't upload any documents, so I can't go next. Just after uploads all the documents, guys, you just go next, and after next, just apply and submit and apply. This is the last step. Just apply and submit. So guys, this is our whole video. In this video I share with you guys how you can apply, how you can type your personal information, and how you can upload your documents, and what type of documents you need to upload. If you have any question about this video, you can ask me in comment box. And if you have any question about CSC scholarship, you can ask me in comment. So guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel. So inshallah we will meet in next video. See you guys. Bye bye.